Good morning, humans. I'm sorry I'm late.
Here's a joy, dress more like a boy, and come back as a line, try a different lipstick.
We ate, it's 11 o'clock. Me and Mandy are going to go and hang out by the pool, and I did not break this up. Mandy's going to the bathroom real quick. Look at the view from a room. Look at it, look at the ocean, look how blue it is. Just look at it, just look at it. But yeah, we're gonna go swimming and lounge about. Then we're gonna see an ice skating show, which I probably won't be able to record for you guys. But I think I'm doing better on the boat than I am doing on land. Because yesterday I kept on feeling like I was swaying when I wasn't. Very interesting. So yeah, I will try to talk to you guys sometime today, more than what I have been doing. Today's a sea day. And then tomorrow is Puerto Rico. So fun. Yeah, I just haven't felt like whipping the camera out a whole lot. But I did whip it out some and take some pictures. And so maybe I'll insert some of those in the days that feel a little slow or whatnot. I have a tea. We should drink wine tonight.
Oh yeah.
Wine. It's because we're not into Puerto Rico until late. And yeah, and thank God before I took my ID yesterday just because I was taking my card and just in case. And thank God I did because we needed it to get back on the boat. We didn't read that. We need to read those, our daily compasses letting us know, you know, what is planned for the day, what we need to do, what we need to bring with us. So for tomorrow's I need to double check, but I think I'm just going to leave my photo ID in with my C-Pass, which is something I get to keep, and it's going to be put in my scrapbook. I really need to get on to mine. Mandy is way ahead of me on that game, but go Mandy! So I'm going to change. I'm already wearing my Bermuda hoodie that I bought. Thank God I had enough cash for that, but it has a little something on it. I'll get my mom to wash it, but like it's still comfortable. It's really warm outside, so I'm all looking forward to getting in the pool and just laying out and tanning and stuff. Yeah, because I think we're gonna swim, go to the ice show, swim some more, probably come up and shower. Does that sound like a plan?
What?
Swim, ice show, swim some more, shower,
Yeah.
and then go to dinner probably.
Generally.
So, because we haven't really been eating regularly. I think yesterday was the first day we had like actual 3 meals, and just having breakfast today, I forget I can't do that much sweet in the morning. Stupid. But we're gonna have fun day. Today's like a layout and tan day because we are really white. Yes. I remember to have this. guys are wondering why we can't see really that well at night, this is why. It gets so foggy. Now, through my camera, it doesn't look that bad, but actually trying to look at it, you cannot, you can barely see. You can barely see the horizon. That, and there's a storm coming in from that way. That's nice. I hope it doesn't come this way. Make sure I don't get the bed wet. It means your mom.
It can go to Florida.
Yeah, it can go to Florida. Wait, we should find out where we're at right now.
That's right.
First thing I'm gonna hit is Ute. And then I want to hit 17. I didn't want 43. I wanted 17. Or are you saying the value invalid?
Maybe it's not 17 today. Maybe it's changed.
No.
Ooh, that's hideous.
Yeah, it's 17. Just didn't want to.
Oh, look, there we are.
There we are. This is where we're at right now.
Dude, where's that?
We're headed down here.
Mm.
Boom. Peeking on people in the promenade. That's what you guys get to do. Total cruise 1,209 nautical months. Sunrise is at 6:21. At present position. You guys are dirty. We had fun swimming. Sunset is at 5:44. We cannot see it. It is set. You can't see anything out our window. At least not to our eyes. It just looks foggy. Does it look foggy to you?
Yeah, it looks foggy.
It looks like foggy. Okay, just sing it. Get it out of your head.
Now watch me whip, whip. Now watch me nay, nay. They play that song once today and it's just stuck in my head forever.
Forever. Okay, we need to shower and get ready for dinner because we've just been...
And we're hungry.
Yeah.
Do you know what that means? Bread. This guy probably thinks we eat all day, but we really don't.
Yeah, no. Like, all we eat is bread. We live on bread.
At dinner.
This died.
Well, hello.
Yeah.
Hello. I don't even have a lock on my tablet. I should, but I don't.
I have a lock on my tablet, but not my phone unless I'm working with one specific person. Then I have a lock on my phone so she can't friend request random people for me. You need to have this guy be your new friend.
Are you gonna shower?
Yes, I'm gonna shower. So, yeah.
I was like, if she ain't going, I'm going.
We'll see you after dinner.
Everyone's asleep but me. So I'm gonna go to bed and say goodnight to you guys. If you're new and you haven't, hit subscribe down below. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I'll see you tomorrow for an exciting day in Puerto Rico. Night.
If I was a guy, I'd get to wear the pants, making all the decisions, asking girls to dance. Yeah!